Hey, what's up, team? Jason here. Going to explain to you today's workout. It's Wednesday, the 25th. We got two elements today. First is going to be a 30-yard bear crawl. Just hands and feet, crawl forward. If you are inside and you don't have 30 straight yards in a row, you can go forward 5 yards, backward 5 yards, forward 5 yards, backward, forward, backward to accumulate 30 total yards. Second thing we've got is 10 dive bomber push-ups. I'm going to angle us down a little bit to look at the dive bomber push-ups. So for this movement, what you want to think of is as get your head as far through as you can, put your face as close to the ground as soon as possible, slide it right above the ground, go into an up dog, and then repeat that process as close to the ground all the way back through. Okay, you're gonna get 10 of those. Then we got sandbag snatches or a variation of that. So for the sandbag snatch, what you want to do is you want to hold the sandbag right here as close to the front as you can, so not centered, but inch your fingers all the way up to the front. Your bottom position is going to be here. I'm going to have to change the camera angle for the top, but you're going to be here, explode up, and flip. Changing camera angle. At the top, you're going to flip and finish. You also can't see that, but you get the idea. Here, all the way to the top. All right. If you do not have a sandbag, you can just use a semi-heavy object or just your hands. If you've got an object, I'm going to use this shoe. You're going to take the heavier object than this, touch the ground, chest up, hips down, and then you're going to jump as high as you can. Okay? You're going to work through that. It's going to be 30 yards of bear crawl, 10 dive bomber push-ups, 10 sandbag snatches, or squat jumps with an object. You're going to do all of that as fast as possible. Key is going to be the snatches or the squat jumps, getting that going full speed. And then you get a 60-second rest. So super fast, rest really hard. You're going to do that for 5 rounds. Then you've got Tabatas. So Tabatas, the way Tabata works is you got 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. During that 20 seconds, you want to be moving as fast as humanly possible to accumulate as many reps as you can through the 20 seconds. Rest, keep going. Technically, and we're not really scoring this, but technically, your score on a Tabata is your lowest score for any one of the 20-second segments. Okay, so that means if you do 20 your first round, and you do 20, and you do 20, and your very last round you do 3, because you're just getting tired and more tired and more tired, your score is 3. So you want to start fast, and you want to maintain that as best you can all the way through. Okay, so push yourself on those last 2 and 3 rounds to maintain that same score you've been getting each 20 seconds. Okay, the 2 movements for the Tabatas, and you're going to do 6 of the first thing, 6 of the second thing. First thing is going to be ice skaters. So you're going to pick a distance, and you're going to jump, 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 jump. What we don't want to do is we don't want to touch the back foot if you don't have to. If you have to, you have to. Don't fall over. But try to land and stick. Land and stick. Okay? Second thing is as you're getting more tired, this does not count as an ice skater. All right? It's got to be a big, giant jump every time. Okay? Second thing is going to be Sandbag thrusters. If you have a sandbag, same hand position where your fingers are scooched up this way as much as you can. You're going to be here, squat, into push press. Here. Make sure you're not finishing here. Make sure you're finishing here. Every rep, same thing on the snatches. All the way above your head, a little bit behind your ears. Squat, explode. Squat, explode. Try not to let yourself lean forward at the bottom. Chest up, all the way through, okay? You're gonna do that movement as many times as possible in the 20 seconds. If you've got a sandbag, use a sandbag. If you've got an other object, use the other object, totally fine. If you've got no objects, also totally fine. You're simply going to replicate the exact movement. Hands are gonna be here, squat, explode up and jump. And work through that motion there, okay? So the way the Tabata will work, 20 seconds work, 10 seconds rest. You're doing all of the sets, all 6 sets of the ice skaters first. Then you're gonna go right into the 6 sets of thrusters. Demoing and then talking, really tough, so don't talk to anybody while you're doing this, just crush it all. All right, team, good luck with both of those movements. See you tomorrow.